This is the second row. See, all the way around. Walls, doors, cover doors, cover doors. Second door. We just reduce the second door to the one. So skirting doors, and carpets. So this is the first room fully refurbished. Window ceiling, window frame, walls. Second room is done, fully all the way around. Sorry. Skirting boards, window sills, skirting boards, and the carpets, fully refurbished. Door frame. First room is done. So that's your line, brother. Ceiling, all the way around. Walls, lining carpet. Second door, brother. Stairs, ceiling, all the way around, both sides, all the way around. Slab door, close paint, and walls. Skirting board, lining carpet. Door, both sides. Door frames. So that's the door frame. See, the walls and coving. Walls and coving. And the first section, we're sealing them up here as well. Door, the skirting boards, both sides. So that's all there, all done. Ceiling, the walls, that's your door, brother. The second door, the two doors, and then the shaving as well, the door, all done.